calamity. I have recruited some scientists to help me in my investigations to develop a way to conquer the world and then the entire universe. The scientists I recruit are specialists in one area. This in order to get a world controlled by me.
Chemistry in food. Chemistry in food is related to the major and minor components of food, including the nutritional, sensory, flavor, and the microbiological aspects. It also is in bioactive constitutions of food, including antioxidants and botanicals. Chemistry also helps in the effect of processing the composition, quality, and safety of the food. Basic research, agricultural and food chemists study the properties of proteins, fats, starches, and the carbohydrates, as well as microcomponents such as additives and fluorines.
In these sections, I will talk about the relation between chemistry and medicine area. Chemistry helps medicine in the area of pharmaceutical components, especially in the research that focuses on designing a product of medicaments of all sorts. One of the most important steps in all the process is identify the new molecules. Years ago, chemicals spent most of their time isolating molecules from living organisms, mainly plants. The result of this work was successful, and the new medicine appears with a new presentation as a capsule, tablet, aerosol, or injection.
Hello guys, my name is Ramon and I'm here to tell you about how the chemistry is related to warfare. For the beginning, I'm going to tell you about the different fields related with chemistry that can trigger weapons of mass destroy, chemical, biological, and nuclear. In the first, we can find different weapons such as gas bombs and grenades filled with liquid pressurized chlorine. In the second one, we notice that we humans use bacterium to kill our enemies. This is not a recent way in warfare. The humanity could see it when, in ancient times, the soldiers threw leprosy corpses with help of a catapult. Finally, in this field, we see the nuclear bomb. This is the worst way to kill your enemy because if he doesn't get killed by the explosion, he will die because of the radiation.
Hello everyone, and I am Guillermo. I am talking about how chemistry relates to the global warming and 3 efficient ways of preventing it. First of all, global warming is also known as global climate change. This is because every state and country of the world is suffering from this same problem. This is because we humans make our machines, and these machines create gases, which are the first and main cause of the global warming. I'm going to tell you about 3 possible solutions to this disaster. First one, plant a tree. This will reduce the greenhouse gases that are in our atmosphere. Second one, using the bicycle instead of any public transport. That's how we're going to reduce gases. And finally, the third one is using solar panels, creating more clean energy instead of using electrical energy because it will reduce pollution.
Well, after seeing this, you can start shaking. But don't worry, I won't do anything to you or your family if you obey me. But if you don't, message over.